Hey guys, in this video, I'm reviewing the Feitain iePass FIDO security key. And this security key has a dual interface. You can use it to log into your online account without a password. Now, this security key uses FIDO2 technology. So what it means is that it can authenticate using web authentications without you having to know the username and password. It's very handy because nowadays we have a lot of username and password. It can be hard to remember all of them. So with this single security key, you can simply be able to verify yourself. And this one here uses an older technology with a two-factor authentications. So with the old methods, you still need to use the username and password, and then in addition, you need to use the security key. Whereas this one here, remove that layer without you having to use the username and password. Now, what's great about this device is that it has a dual interface. You can use it on Apple device such as an iPad or iPhone, or you can use it on your MacBook computer. And it also have a USB-C, so USB-C can be connect to your MacBook Pro, or you can connect to an Android phone. So here you can see I can plug it into my iPhone 13 Pro. Let's take a look at the device itself for now. On the casing, this is a metal casing, so this can provide an excellent protection if you are deciding to put this one on a keyring. So you want to put this one into your keyring, you can have them come with your keys, and the metal is quite strong. It's quite durable, feel like it's durable. Nothing wiggles, so I can pull this one, move them around, it doesn't wiggle. I'm quite uncomfortable putting this in my pockets without a cap. I'm worried sand and other things can cause damage to the pins here. Without a cap, you can't really protect the pins. Once the pins get damaged, then that means you get locked out and you cannot authenticate yourself. So that is one of the things you want to bear in mind. So it's probably not a good idea to put this together with your key rings, as the keys can rub against all these pins here and cause damage, as well as sand can go in here and cause damage in your USB-C port. So maybe not a good idea. If you have a cap, then that would be good, but without a cap, then maybe you want to put it somewhere safe. Now it looks like there is no battery on this device. There is a light indicator, but it doesn't turn on or anything. But as soon as I plug into my device, the light comes on, so it could be drawing power from the device. Now this metal round circle here is a sensor, so when you need to authenticate, you can put your thumb or finger on this sensor. It's not a button, you can't press on it, so it is a sensor that you put your finger on top of that metal button. Not only this device allows you to use on multiple platform, multiple different devices, but it also has multiple security functions. You can use this one as a two-factor authentication, FIDO2 or web authentications, OTP, CCDI to support a different usage scenario. And the iePass FIDO security key also have the PIV and Open PGP supported to perform digital signature and mail encryption within one single security key. So it has a multiple functions within one device. So it's really good and updated to the previous version of the Feitain security key. You can use this security key with a lot of services like Google account, Google Drive, Google Cloud, Microsoft OneDrive, Azure, Amazon Web Services, GitLab, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Dropbox, Shopify, 1Password, Dashlane, Keeper, and a lot more. So you can see if you are using a lot of these online services, then you should really need to use an authentication keys to add in an extra security for your account. So I'm going to plug it into my Android device, and then I'm going to tap on Add Main Key, tap on Next, and then tap on Get Started, and it said which method do I want to use. I'm going to choose with USB, and then tap on OK, and I'm just going to tap on this button here, and it says security key register. So I'll put in IE. So I'm just going to iEPass FIDO. Done. Okay, and then I can add in a backup key. Now I'm just going to remove this key, and I add in my backup key. Now tap on next. Then I'll tap on get started. Again, I will use the USB key. So allow using your security key. Just going to press on the button, I think. Okay, now we can give her a name. So I'll put in K there too. And then done. Okay, so now we have added. I can tap on next. And then tap on enroll. Okay, so now it's done. I can sign back in. So we're going to be able to sign back in to the account. And that's the account right there. And that's it. So now we have successfully signed in using the key. So the next time when I need to authenticate, all I have to do is just simply plug this one in and then press on the button, touch on the sensor, and that should be allow me to authenticate. Okay, so say here I need to authenticate the account. I can put in the password, tap on next, and ask me to put in my security key. I can simply just plug it in, press on the button, tap on next, and then tap on the button to authenticate, and then it's all set. Now I can log into my account. So that's how you can protect your account with this security key. It is effective and increase the security of your account. So once again, this is very small, very handy to use. It is very well built, and I'm quite happy with it. It is convenient if you are using an Apple phone as well as an Android. Then this is perfect because you can authenticate on both platforms. Okay, so where can you get this? Now you can purchase this from online websites such as eBay or Amazon. Now I have a quick check, and it is on Amazon for $36, and you can get it quickly shipped to your place. And after that, you can immediately use this one as an extra security layer to protect your online account. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.